Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see difference between declarative versus scripted pipeline. So let's get started with today's video. So both are type of pipeline only. So first I'll start with the syntax difference. So declarative pipeline and scripted pipeline, you can see the screenshot. So here you can see declarative starts with pipeline and inside that stages and then one stage particular different stages you can write, and in declarative inside stage steps should be there, otherwise it will give an error. Whereas in scripted pipeline it starts with node and inside node you write stage, and inside that you will not write any steps because in scripted steps will give error. So syntax wise is declarative is like predefined structured, and where scripted uses groovy based code, and it's a more like fully programmable. And structure wise that starts with the pipeline and that starts with node, and declarative is easy to learn for a newcomer, and scripted requires a basic groovy knowledge. So if we compare regarding some features, so regarding error handling, declarative is post block. So whichever ever you will be getting later that block. Scripted is you need to do manual try catch. So now second is parallel execution. So declarative is having already built-in syntax. So it's like parallel keyword you need to use, and inside that stage you write whichever you want to run parallelly. But in scripted parallel keyword you will use, but inside that one map you will be sending like a key value pair that will be holding your parallel running steps. So next, now let's say custom logic. So declarative is very limited because there are predefined like already structure is there, but scripted one it's having more control. Loops also you can define, if conditions, so it give you more free hands to experience. Now validation, so declarative is having more valid like syntax check, but in scripted you can't check that, only in the runtime you will be able to see if there is any error. Last is community like support, so it's like preferred for new pipelines, easy to make, and scripted is like older and more powerful. So now let's see when to use what. So now let's say you want to do simple build and test deploy workflow. There is no much more steps, so you can use declarative. And let's say if your team is new to Jenkins, so declarative is very good because it's having predefined structures and you can just use them. And if you want to build complex logic and like dynamic stages you have, and you want like more let's say control of pipeline, then you use scripted pipeline. So now let me quickly summarize everything. So declarative is easy to write, scripted is like groovy knowledge needed, whereas for declarative flexible logic is limited, whereas scripted pipeline give you full flexibility. Declarative is more readable rather than scripted. Error handling in declarative is simple, and in scripted it's a little bit so one real life comparison that you can do is thinking of declarative as like ordering a meal from a menu. So menu is structured and it's predefined, so you can just order from there whichever it's there. But scripted is like cooking your own meal, so you need to cut the vegetables also, and it's like which spices to put. It requires more manual work, but it's give you flexibility of cooking your own meal and like having your own taste. So that's all in this video. I have shown you difference between scripted and declarative pipeline. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.